Samsung's triple fold smartphone is set to be a major launch, and it could change how people view Samsung after the last few years. New leaks and reports are getting really interesting, revealing the exciting specs, including the official name of Samsung's first Tri-Fold. Even though Samsung was the first to enter the foldable smartphone market and still leads in sales, it has developed a reputation for playing it safe over the past few years. Samsung's foldable phones are often beaten in specs and innovation, and other brands even mock them. The only things keeping Samsung on top are that other foldable smartphones haven't launched worldwide yet, or the software features in Samsung flagships. Samsung had shown prototypes of the more interesting than the regular folds in the past, but still didn't manage to launch its first Tri-Fold before the Huawei Mate XT. However, it's finally happening, and Samsung is taking a different approach. Unlike Huawei, Samsung's Tri-Fold will use a G-shaped folding mechanism. The advantage of this mechanism is that both folds cover the main display, plus there will be a secondary cover display for a conventional phone experience. On the other hand, Mate XT has one giant display that folds twice in S-shape. This mechanism means that the display always risks damage from accidental drops. According to recent leaks, Samsung's Tri-Fold will be officially named G-Fold, which fits well with its folding design and is similar to the popular Z Fold. Now the big question is how big and slim it will be. Samsung is going to use the newly developed display tech for this folding experience that we haven't seen in any previous Samsung Fold. The G Fold is going to be 6.54 inches tall, while having the 9.96 inches of main display. The display is almost the same as the Mate XT and is 30% bigger than the Z Fold 6. One thing the Mate XT does well is keeping its Tri-Fold very thin, compared to Samsung's Z Folds. A leaker mentioned that the G Fold is going to be similar but will be slightly thicker compared to the H. By H, I guess he is referring to the Huawei Mate XT. Now, another big question is how much it will cost and when it will be released. Z Fold 6 starts at almost $1,900 for the 256GB variant, and Huawei Mate XT is sold at $2,800. So the pricing of the G Fold is rumored to be somewhere between $2,500 to $3,000. This high price could lead to commercial failure, so Samsung may again play it safe with a limited release of the G Fold, similar to what they did with the Z Fold Special Edition last year. Early rumors hinted at a 2026 release, but recently Ross Young confirmed it will come out in the third quarter of 2025, likely alongside the Z Fold 7. The OnePlus Open 2 is ready to challenge both Fold 7 and Fold 6. Watch all the details here. This is Techtics, and I will see you there.